are going to learn about Pacific Ocean in an easy way. So without wasting time, let's begin. So this is a map of Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest of the Earth-wide ocean division. It extends from the north by Arctic Ocean and from the south by Southern Ocean. And it is bounded from the west by the countries of Asia and Oceania. This is Asia and this is Oceania. And from the east by continent North America and continent South America. Let's see the area. Its area is 1652.2 million square kilometers. Let's see the depth. Its depth is 4.280 meter. Let's see the water volume. Its water volume is 170 million cubic miles. The Pacific Ocean is the version of peaceful, and it is named by an explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, in 1520. As he sailed through a calm patch of water on the ocean, despite its name, the Pacific is the vast body of water teeming with activities. The longest portion of Pacific Ocean is the distance between the Indonesia to Colombia. It is considered the longest portion of Pacific Ocean with the area of 20,000 kilometers. The surface area of Pacific Ocean is covering more than 30% of the Earth's surface. Pacific Ocean is the largest water mass on the planet with the area of 155 million square kilometers. Panama Canal is the massive engineering marvel that connects Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. Here is Panama Canal. It is over 100-year-old. It is a shortcut between the Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. It can consider one of the man-made wonders of the world. 70% of the Earth's volcanoes, more than 450 volcanoes, are located along the Ring of Fire. 90% of the Earth's earthquakes occur along its path. The seas of Pacific Ocean. Coral Sea. Here is Sea of Japan. Here is East China Sea. Here is South China Sea. And here is Prince Sea. And here is Gulf of California. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, covering approximately 33% of the Earth's surface. The vast ocean contains approximately 30,000 islands divided between the Polynesia, Micronesia and Melanesia. Borneo, which is in Indonesia. Honshu, Japan. Sulawesi, Indonesia. South Islands, New Zealand. North Island, New Zealand. Luzon, Philippines. Mindanao, Philippines. Tasmania, Australia. Hokkaido, Japan. Second, Russia, Taiwan Island, Taiwan, Kyushu, Japan, New Britain, Papua New Guinea, Vancouver, Canada, Shikoku, Japan, Denitari, France, Palawan, Philippines, Hawaii, United States of America, Liviu, which is in Fiji. Some famous bridges found in Pacific Ocean are Golden Gate Bridge. It is in San Francisco. It is 1,280 meters. Second one is Sydney Harbour Bridge, which is in Australia. It is 500 meters. Third one is Bixby Creek Bridge. Bixby Creek Bridge, also known as Bixby Canyon Bridge, on the Big Sur coast of California. Type of ocean plants are phytoplankton, red algae, kelp, seagrass, and sargassum. See some famous animals found in Pacific Ocean: marine marmal, humpback whale, sea otter, sea slug, orca, hammerhead shark, elephant seals, dolphin, sea lion, penguins, whale shark, sea turtle, bull shark, giant oceanic manta ray, fin whale, baleen whales, Pacific sleeper shark, tiger shark, fur seal, dusky dolphin, ghost crabs, blanket octopus, silky shark, yellowfish, great hammerhead, eagle rays, telescopic fish. These are the famous animals of Pacific Ocean. Let's see environmental problems of Pacific Ocean. Climate change, pollution, garbage problem, ocean acidification, overfishing. The Pacific Ocean is a major contributor of the world economy and particularly of those nations its water directly touch. It provides low-cost sea transportation between east and west, extensive fishing grounds, offshore oil and gas fields, minerals, and sand and gravel for the construction industry. In the Pacific Ocean. See you next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.